Hi everyone, here with my new detector, well second hand new one to me, Teknetics T2. Came here yesterday and the farmer was ploughing, and Caroline found another hammer, a Charles I half groat. Didn't bring the camera with me, but believe me, she got another one yet again. Today, well, that's my find so far. I got a little sixpence 1955 pigeon ring, musket ball, bit of lead, and another bit of lead. So yeah, loving the new machine. Very sensitive, tiny bits of lead, but them little tiny ones could be hammered. So we'll crack on. We've got the other field to do over there. He's ploughed the other one as well, so we'll go over there later on. Okay, catch you later on if you find anything else. Bye for now. 2 yards on. I thought that was a hammered, but no, just a little button. Nice one though. Right, on to the next. Did it again. I thought that was another silver coin. Another little button. Silvered pewter, I suppose. Right, just going down here. Right, catch you the next. Bye for now. Right, I believe I found my first hammered with the Teknetics T2. I think we're upside down. Ah, there we go. Yeah, Elizabeth the First. Now, I believe that's a 3p. I think not big enough for a 6p. Caroline doesn't know, she's on the other side of the field. Oh, it's a nice one as well. 1573. Really nice one. There you go. Pretty nice bust as well on that one. So, first hammered for the Teknetics. Fantastic. Don't know where she is. Over there somewhere. She's doing along the edge. I'm doing the rough bit. And then, believe you me, it's really rough. But hey, we'll carry on. There'll be some more on here. I've not found one on this one. Found 3 on the other one, the little one that we've just been on. Or is Caroline found 3 on there? I can't remember. Anyway, back to it. Catch you in a bit. Bye for now. I'm thinking button. It's gold though, and there's a head on it, and it looks like, well, I don't know what it looks like, but I'm thinking it's a button. So I don't know. It looks gold though. It's a forgery, I reckon this is. Is that a gold forgery? Well, a bit of gold today then. Yeah, I won't rub it too much. I'll try and leave the gold on and then clean it off. It's definitely gold. It's absolutely gleaming gold. Nice one. That's got to be a forgery because it's copper underneath. I think it is anyway. It's not like the other one I found. Right, clean it up. Get back to you later. See what it is. On to the next. Next one, just worn George 2, more than likely, halfpenny. Nothing on it. Very thin. On to the next. No, I'm not sure what this is. It's very small, it's tiny. I think I saw, until I wet it, I saw Britannia on the back. So it may be a, let me have a look. A Victorian third farthing or something like that. Not sure really. Copper anyway. Really belting signal as well for that little tiny thing. So. Right, on to the next. Ow, my knee. Oh. Right, well, not my neck's fine because I found just forever digging everything. You know, good stuff, not rubbish. That looks like a little thimble, I think. Yeah. This machine will not let you pass anything that's decent. Doesn't half give a cracking signal on anything that's non-ferrous. A banging signal. Doesn't matter how big or small it is. I don't know where Caroline's gone. I think she's gone for a pint up there, I think. Right, got to be getting ready for home time now, surely. I'll either catch you later at the roundup if I do one. I might not. Or I'll catch you at the next dig. Bye for now.